We have been promised wearable tech for a decade, but it always looked like a science project on your face. I have found it difficult joining the smart glasses team just to take pictures, answer call, and listen to music until now. I've spent the last 2 weeks living in the Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer Generation 2, and they've fundamentally changed how I interact with the world. Today, we're unboxing them, testing the Multimodal AI, and I'll show you why these might be the most human piece of tech I've ever owned. Opening these up, you realize Meta didn't try to build a computer. They asked Ray-Ban to build a great pair of glasses that happens to be smart. In the box, you get the classic leather charging case with USB-C charging port, cleaning cloth, and the glasses themselves. The first thing you notice? The weight. At about 50 grams, they feel almost identical to the regular Wayfarers. They're IPX4 water resistant too, so a light drizzle won't kill them. If you're a prescription wearer, you can get these with transition lenses, which makes them a 24/7 tool. The camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide. It shoots 1080p video upgradable to 3K in settings for up to 3 minutes. But the specs aren't the point, the POV is. Think about how many memories you've missed because you were looking through a 6-inch phone screen trying to film it. With a single tap on the temple, I'm capturing exactly what I see. It's authentic and it's completely hands-free. What makes Gen 2 special is the multimodal AI. It allows you to interact using voice, vision, sensory data, and text all at once. The Look and Ask feature is impressively snappy, giving you real-time info about the world around you in seconds. Example, I can look at this menu and say, "Hey Meta, translate help with recommendations of what to order." Within seconds, the voice in my ear gives me options. It's like having a digital assistant sitting on your shoulder. It can identify plans, help you troubleshoot or review tech papers, create a quick Excel sheet, or even summarize a page of text you're looking at. It isn't perfect, it still hallucinates occasionally, but for quick in-the-moment info, it's unmatched. Let's talk about the daily driver stuff. Audio. The speakers are directional. If you're at 50% volume, the person next to you hears nothing. It's great for podcasts, but don't expect a music studio audiophile bass sound. Battery. This is the trade-off. If you're filming a lot, you'll get about 4 hours, but the case holds some good hours of charge. I found that as long as I put them in the case when I'm not wearing them, I never run out of juice.
Hey Meta, what's the tallest building in the world?
The Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world, standing at 828 meters or 2,717 feet, and has held this record since its completion in 2010.
How long was the construction, Meta?
The Burj Khalifa took around 6 years to build, from January 2004 to October 2009, with a total construction time of approximately 72 months. And it was officially opened in January 2010.
What was the cost?
The construction cost of the Burj Khalifa was around 1.5 billion US dollars.
Hey Meta, can you look at this menu and help translate?
The text in the image appears to be a menu, and it is written in Arabic. The translation of the text is menu, mansaf, a traditional Jordanian dish, desserts. Please note that the text may contain other items or descriptions that are not clearly visible in the image. If you need a more detailed translation or have specific questions about the menu, feel free to ask.
What can you recommend that is good to eat on this menu?
Based on the menu, I can see that there is a mansaf option. Mansaf is a traditional Jordanian dish made with lamb or beef, cooked in a fermented yogurt sauce and served with rice. It's a popular and delicious dish. So I would recommend trying the Mansoff if you're looking for something authentic and tasty.
Hey Meta, can you compare these EV products, Lucid Air and Tesla Model S?
The Lucid Air has a longer range of up to 516 miles and more interior space, while the Tesla Model S has more power with 670 horsepower in its base model and better resale value. The Lucid Air starts at $71,400, and the Model S starts at $96,380 in some markets, but pricing can vary.
What would be a competitive China EV to these two options?
A big competitive China EV is BYD, which surpassed Tesla in global battery electric vehicle sales in 2024, offering a range of models with advanced technology and features and backed by China's massive EV market and government support.
So, who are these for? If you want a VR headset, get a Quest. If you want a camera, get a Sony. But if you want to be more present in your real life while still staying connected, these are it. They take the friction out of technology. They don't feel like a gadget, they feel like an upgrade to your senses. My top tip, go into the Meta View app and set up your voice shortcuts immediately. It makes the experience 10 times smoother. If this helped you decide, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.